Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Acura RDX. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 210,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, automatic climate control, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, keyless entry, leather seats, and Bluetooth. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.